In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best RC helicopters available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the RC helicopters mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Black Hornet C128 with 1080p camera. The Black Hornet C128 is perfect for beginners and casual flyers who want more than just flying fun. Equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope for steady flight and a 1080p camera for clear aerial shots, this model balances functionality with ease. It also features barometer-based altitude hold and up to 15 minutes of flight per charge. Stylish, stable, and packed with features, it's a solid entry into RC helicopter photography. Number 4, Goosky S2 High-Performance RC Helicopter. The Goosky S2 redefines aerobatic RC helicopter flying with its dual brushless direct drive and GTS flight control system for pinpoint accuracy. Built for high-precision 3D maneuvers, it's ideal for advanced users who crave top-tier performance. It also comes with a generous 3-year warranty. If you're looking to push your flying limits with pro-level control, the Goosky S2 offers unmatched speed, agility, and reliability. Number 3, WLtoys K110S BNF RTF Helicopter. The WLtoys K110S is an ideal pick for both beginners and seasoned RC pilots. It boasts 3D and 6G modes for aerobatic tricks and stable flight, supported by a powerful brushless motor. A large-screen LCD controller and low-voltage alarm add user convenience. Designed for precision and fun, it offers excellent control and power in a compact, affordable package. Perfect for indoor and outdoor flights, this heli is a favorite in its class. Number 2, YUXIANG F07UH-1 Huey RC Helicopter. The YUXIANG F07 brings a realistic scale model of the UH-1 Huey to RC flight fans. It features dual brushless motors for powerful, stable flight and cool LED lights for added realism. Precision is ensured with its enlarged metal gear servo, and its high simulation appearance makes it a collector's dream. With a great balance of detail and performance, this model is perfect for intermediate pilots and anyone who loves iconic helicopters. Number 1, C138 RC Helicopter Bell 206 model. The C138 is a beginner-friendly RC helicopter modeled after the Bell 206, featuring a 6-axis gyroscope for ultra-stable flight and a barometer for precise altitude control. Its modular battery supports up to 12 minutes of flight and includes smart power management. Ideal for both newbies and experienced users, it delivers realism, ease of use, and smooth flight in one sleek package. A great choice for those wanting a reliable, stylish RC heli without breaking the bank.